Many of our green belts and black belts, or anyone who is involved in process excellence, they tell that they want to do improvement projects, but they don't get the approval from the organization to do a project. So in this case, there can be two reasons. The first reason is that maybe the organization fails to see the benefits what your improvement project will bring in. If this is the case, then you can always write a good problem statement and a goal statement and an excellent business case which tells what are the benefits of doing the project, how it is going to save the costs, or how it is going to reduce the cycle times, or maybe reduce the waste, or improve the profitability of the organization. So if you are able to do that, then definitely the organization will be interested in giving you the full support. Second reason can be maybe the person to whom you are reporting to, your boss or any senior person, he or she has a fear of loss of power if you do the project. So in this case, you have to use the WIIFM strategy, what's in it for me. So in this case, you have to tell the person who is resisting that what's in it for him or her, how that person is going to get benefited if you do the project. This will help you to convince anyone and also get their support as well. I hope this tip helps you. If you have any other questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer this using my videos.